In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a highly realistic custom skin texture from scratch. So let's get started. First, create a new black layer and name it skin texture. Go to Edit menu and choose Fill. In the Content drop-down, select 50% gray and click OK. Now convert the skin texture layer into Smart Object. Using a Smart Object allows you to apply filter and distortion non-destructively, which means you can go back and edit the filter again. Now go to Filter menu and choose Filter Gallery. In the Texture option, set the Texturize filter. This will create a skin-like texture. In the Texture menu, choose Sandstone. The best part of this filter is that it allows you to choose the direction of lighting, providing a better match with your photo and creating a realistic skin texture. For example, in my image, the light is coming from the top, so I will choose top. Then you can use the scale and relief slider to control the size and intensity of the texture. Now adjust the scale and relief value according to my image and click OK. Now change the blend mode to soft light and overlay. These two blend modes hide the 50% gray, so I will choose overlay. Now hold Alt on Windows and the Option key on Mac and click on the layer mask icon. The mask will hide the entire layer. Take a soften brush, set the foreground color to white, decrease the opacity to 20%, and decrease the flow to 5%. Select the mask and start painting on the skin. Now this is the before and this is the after. Because our texture layer is converted into a smart object, you can also adjust the values later by clicking on the smart filter icon. I hope you love this technique. Please like and comment below and do not forget to subscribe.